Common SaaS Google Ads mistakes companies make and how to fix them. Welcome to this presentation on common SaaS Google Ads mistakes companies make and how to fix them. Whether you're a marketer, founder, or strategist at a B2B SaaS company, this session will help you take a critical look at your current Google Ads campaign and identify where things might be falling short. I'm Sergiy, the founder of Algocentric Digital and a Fractional CMO, and today we'll walk you through some of the most overlooked SEM mistakes like poor ad copy, wrong bidding strategy, or sending traffic to irrelevant pages. Along the way, we'll also touch on tools like Google Analytics, Google Keyword Planner to help you fix what's broken and optimize your digital marketing for real revenue growth. The hidden cost of mismanaged SaaS Google Ads. Over 63% of all web traffic flows through a search engine. For a SaaS company, that makes Google Ads a critical channel. But many businesses waste thousands in ad spend because they're unaware of the common mistakes that plague their paid search strategies, especially in fast-moving SaaS PPC space. Mistake number 1. Targeting high-volume, low-intent keywords. Chasing keywords with high volume but low commercial intent is one of the top Google Ads mistakes. For a B2B SaaS company, targeting search terms like "what is a CRM" might bring traffic, but it will not drive conversions. That's because users are still in research mode, not ready to engage with your ad copy. Instead, aim for long-tail transactional search terms like "best CRM for startups" or "CRM software free trial." These users are closer to making a decision. Using Google Keyword Planner and Google Analytics, you can identify and prioritize high-intent queries that align with your bidding strategy and drive more qualified leads. Fixing keyword intent. What to target instead. Winning in Google Ads for SaaS business means understanding not just what people search, but why they search it. High-performing ad campaigns use content marketing principles to map keywords to the right funnel stage. Targeting terms like buy, try, or download CRM software today shows high commercial intent. Want a shortcut? Check out top of page bid inside Google Keyword Planner. A higher CPC often means better paid ad value. And don't forget your negative keywords. The right search terms will not only improve ad performance, but also lower your cost per click and reduce wasted ad spend. Mistake number 2, not segmenting campaigns by funnel stage. One of the most common mistakes in SaaS PPC is dumping all keywords into one generic ad group. If your Google Ads campaign isn't segmented by funnel stage, top, middle, and bottom, you're not speaking to your potential customers with the right message at the right time. A B2B Google ad targeting "what is CRM" should educate, not sell. Whereas a responsive search ad targeting "buy CRM for startups" should push for action. Segmenting your ad copy, landing pages, and even ad extensions by intent stage increases ad performance and lowers your ad spend. How to segment campaigns effectively. Great digital marketing isn't just about reaching the right person. It's about reaching them at the right time with the right message on the right channel. That's where structured ad groups shine. Map each search term to a funnel stage and build single keyword ad groups to boost relevance and ad visibility. You can also segment by use case or industry. For example, if your SaaS company serves HR and IT teams, your ad copy and landing pages should speak their language. And don't forget, 54% of users expect content marketing to be tailored to their needs. The more relevant your ad campaign, the better your results. Mistake number 3, ignoring negative keywords. Another common SaaS Google Ads mistake is ignoring negative keywords. If you are not telling Google Ads what you want, your paid ad could appear on relevant queries like CRM jobs, free CRM training, or reviews, leading to low quality traffic and poor ad performance. You need a shared negative keyword list that applies across every ad group and ad campaign. Use Google Analytics and the search terms report to find mismatches. Pair this with phrase or exact match types for more control. This saves ad spend, improves lead quality, and increases brand awareness where it matters. Fixing match types and keyword relevance. Match types make or break your Google Ads results. Start with phrase match and exact match for your high intent keywords. Only expand to broad match when you've locked down your search term strategy and have strong tracking through Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics. Use shared negative lists to keep your campaigns clean. Review your search terms regularly, not once a month. Tighten match types and keyword hygiene lead to better ad visibility, more efficient bidding strategy, and fewer wasted clicks, especially for SaaS businesses with limited budgets. Now, if you want the exact framework for scaling pipeline with paid search, click the link in the description below to grab your free AI-powered SEM playbook for B2B SaaS. Learn how to outperform manual bidding with ML-powered strategies. Discover how to combine paid search with YouTube, social, and programmatic to dominate the funnel. See how top SaaS brands are cutting CAC while increasing MQLs and pipeline velocity. Comment SEM below and I'll send you the link directly. Tag a SaaS founder who needs to fix their search marketing strategy today. Mistake number 4. Sending users to generic homepages. If you're spending on search ads, don't waste a click by sending users to a generic homepage. That's one of the most damaging Google Ads mistakes in SaaS. Your homepage tries to do too much. It's not aligned with the intent of the search term or your ad copy. Instead, create focused landing pages that match each Google Ads campaign. Whether your video ads or responsive search ads target CRM for small teams, your page should speak directly to that audience with tailored messaging and a strong CTA. Aligning your ad copy, landing page, and user intent is core to every successful paid search strategy. Now, before you watch the rest of the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notifications bell so you never miss a growth tip. Fixing the funnel with purpose-built landing pages. An effective Google Ads campaign should create a seamless journey from search term to ad copy to a hyper-relevant landing page. When each step feels intentional and personalized, your SaaS company builds trust, improves ad performance, and lowers your cost per click by boosting your quality score. Your content marketing here plays a pivotal role. Make your landing pages feel like the next logical step after clicking a Google search ad. Use strong, visible CTAs like book a demo or start free trial. Avoid clutter. One message, one offer. This is how you turn ad spend into conversions, not bounces. Mistake number 5. Tracking all leads the same way. One of the most damaging SEM mistakes in SaaS advertising is treating all conversions equally. Whether it's a newsletter sign up or a demo request, this leads to poor decision-making, inflated metrics, and wasted ad spend. Smart SaaS PPC strategies differentiate between MQLs, SQLs, trial signups, and actual paid users. When you lump everything together, you can't accurately attribute value. The result? You optimize for volume instead of revenue, undermining your entire digital marketing funnel. Implementing value-based tracking. To improve your bidding strategy, use tools like Google Tag Manager, GA4, and HubSpot to track granular actions like demo booked or trial started. Assign weighted values, maybe $10 for a trial, $200 for a demo, or $800 for a paying customer. Integrate this data with your Google Ads account so the algorithm can optimize for real business value, not just clicks. That's how B2B SaaS companies scale smartly using Google Cloud integrations and CRM feedback loops. It's the key to shifting from volume-based optimization to profit-based strategy. Mistake number 6, ignoring audience targeting. Relying on search terms and keywords is a huge Google Ads mistake. Today, Google Ads gives you tools to layer in audience segments, job titles, company size, funnel stages, even behaviors across the Google Display Network and Google Search partners. By combining ad copy with audience data, you can tailor messaging to buyers at different lifecycle stages. A VP of marketing and a growth hacker won't respond to the same message. This is where smart content marketing meets paid ad execution, especially for Google Ads. Retargeting on lookalike audiences. Most SaaS businesses don't close deals on the first click. That's why retargeting is critical. Use ROAS, remarketing lists for search ads, to reconnect with users who visited pricing or product pages. Show them video ads, customer success stories, or free trial reminders. To scale even further, use customer match to build lookalike audiences from converted users. Then target them across Google Display Network, YouTube, and even LinkedIn ads. When combined with strong ad copy and landing pages, this becomes a full funnel paid search powerhouse. Mistake number 7. Not bidding on brand or competitor terms. A shocking number of B2B SaaS companies don't bid on their own branded keywords. They assume organic will catch all brand traffic. But what happens when a competitor bids above you? You've just handed them a qualified lead and lost out on revenue your ad spend created. Bidding on your own branded keywords ensures your Google ads appear at the top, lets you control your message, and helps you monitor brand traffic trends in Google Analytics. Those low-cost, high-converting campaigns are essential to any smart search network strategy. How to tactically bid on brand and competitors. When bidding on brand, use ad extensions like site links to highlight features, pricing, or case studies. Add structured snippets like integrations, dashboards, or SLA terms. These improve ad visibility and engagement. For competitor campaigns, follow Google's rules. Don't use competitor names in the ad copy, but do build comparison pages. Use indirect messaging like frustrated with slow onboarding or the smarter alternative to bulky platforms. This keeps you compliant while still capturing commercial intent searchers. Mistake number 8. Set and forget mentality. Too many marketers treat Google ads like a crock pot. Set it and forget it. That approach kills ad performance in the fast-paced SaaS PPC space. With 15% of Google search ads being for never-before-seen queries, optimization isn't optional. It's required. Check your search terms report weekly. Refresh your ad copy. Review device performance. Adjust geo bids and test audience overlays. If you want predictable CAC and scalable ROAS, your ad campaign must evolve as your funnel evolves. How to continuously optimize your Google ads. Great digital marketing is iterative. Use smart bidding, but only if your conversion tracking is accurate. A/B test everything. Responsive search ads, landing page formats, headlines, and CTAs. Try different match types and Google Ads copy variations. Also, map your ad campaigns to lifecycle stages. A Bofu user may want a demo link, while a Tofu user responds better to pain point-driven content in marketing videos. Test constantly. It's not about getting it perfect the first time. It's about getting it better every single week. What success looks like. Running high-performing Google Ads for SaaS businesses isn't just about tactics. It's about strategy. When you fix these common SaaS Google Ads mistakes that companies make, you go from leaking budget to building a full funnel search network machine. From optimizing search terms to writing compelling ad copy, using Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, and aligning content marketing to intent, every lever matters. Clean up the foundation, and your Google Ads engine starts driving real growth. Let us fix it for you. If this sounds like a lot to handle, that's because it is. And that's why our team at Algocentric Digital helps B2B SaaS companies build high-converting, strategy-driven Google Ads campaigns from scratch, or fix broken ones. Click below to book a free strategy call or download our SaaS Google Ads playbook. Let's transform your ad spend into predictable, revenue-driving channels using smarter content marketing, better ad copy, and expert-built funnels. If you want the exact framework for scaling pipeline with paid search, click the link in the description below to grab your free AI-powered SCM playbook for B2B SaaS. Learn how to outperform manual bidding with ML-powered strategies. Discover how to combine paid search with YouTube, social, and programmatic to dominate the funnel. See how top SaaS brands are cutting CAC while increasing MQLs and pipeline velocity. Comment SCM below and I'll send you the link directly. Tag a SaaS founder who needs to fix their search marketing strategy today. Thank you for exploring smarter SaaS advertising with Algocentric Digital. And remember, we're here to help you turn wasted ad spend into scalable growth.